Hello everyone, welcome back to Conceptify Maths. Today we will learn one of the most important geometric topics, triangles, its types, properties and area formulas. This topic looks easy but it gives tricky questions in TGT exams. We will understand concepts with diagrams, learn short tricks and solve previous year questions. So let's begin. Triangle. What is triangle? A triangle is a closed figure formed by three line segments. It is a closed figure formed by three line segments. It has three sides, three angles, and three vertices. Sum of all interior angles is 180 degree. Always remember that in any triangle, sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. This is called triangle inequality theorem. Now, types of triangles. Types of triangle. First is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, all three sides equal, all sides equal and all angle is 60 degree. All sides equal and all angle measure 60 degree. So first of all, its perimeter. This is our equilateral triangle. A, B, C, and all the angles will be 60 degree. So what will be its perimeter? Perimeter 3A, where A is side. Height. Its height will be root 3 by 2A, which is 0.866 A. Then area of equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 A square, which is 0.433 A square. Okay, whenever we see three equal sides, we can directly apply these formula for perimeter, height and area in equilateral triangle. Now second is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. And angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal, and altitude is drawn on non-equal side, and altitude is drawn on non-equal side, and it bisects right. So equilateral triangle A, B, C. This is A, and this is B. This will be B by 2 and B by 2. So its parameter will be sum of all the sides. A plus B, which is 2A plus B. Height. Second is height. Height will be under root. We will apply Pythagoras theorem here. Under root A square minus B by 2 whole square, which will be equal to 1 by 2 under root 4A square minus B square. And area of isosceles triangle will be B by 4 under root 4A square minus B square. Now the third one is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. In a scalene triangle, all three sides are different. All sides are different. No equal angles. No equal angles. So all sides will be different. This will be A, this will be B, this will be C. So first is perimeter. Perimeter will be A plus B plus C. Then area we will find area by Hero's formula. That will be under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, where S is semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C by 2, and A, B, C are the sides of triangle. Okay. Now types of triangles based on angles. Types of triangle based on angles. The first is acute angle triangle. Acute angled triangle. So in acute angle triangle, all angles will be less than 90 degree. Now second is right angle triangle. Right angled triangle. Right angle triangle, one angle will be equal to 90 degree. And its area will be half base into height. And we can get base and height by Pythagoras theorem. Number third is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. One angle greater than 90 degree. In TGT papers, they love mixing angle-based and side-based questions. For example, find the area of an isosceles right triangle. Okay. Now, PYQs and some problems. Examples. Example 1. Find the area area of an equilateral triangle of side 12 centimeter. So the area of equilateral triangle is, we know the formula, root 3 by 4 a square. So it will be 1.732, this is the value of root 3 by 4 into 12 square, that is 0.433 into 144, that will be 62.35 centimeter square. Always remember root 3 by 4 into side square, that is equilateral triangles area shortcut. Now example 2. Example 2, it is PYQ. In a right triangle, base is 6 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. Find area and hypotenuse. Find area and hypotenuse. So area is equals to half into base into height. So A is equals to 1 by 2, 6 into 8, that will be equal to 24 centimeter square. And how we will find hypotenuse? By Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse is under root 6 square plus 8 square, that is under root 100, that will be equal to 10 centimeter. This kind of question is a favorite in TGT, but simple but concept based. Now next question is two equal sides of an isosceles triangle. Two equal sides of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle are 10 centimeter each, base 12 centimeter. Find its area. Find its area. So two equal sides of an isosceles are 10 centimeter and base is given. We can find height. Base is given, two equal side is given, and base is 12 centimeter. So we can find height. So height will be under root a square minus b by 2 whole square, that is 10 square minus 6 square, which will be 8 centimeter. And area will be half base into height, which is half 12 into 8, that is equals to 48 centimeter square. So here is your question of the day. In a right isosceles triangle, in are right in the right isosceles triangle, the equal sides are 10 centimeter each. 10 centimeter each. Find its area. Find its area. So you have learned all types of triangles with formulas and PYQs. In the next video, we will move to quadrilaterals and their area tricks. So stay tuned. This is Conceptify Maths, where learning is simple and smart. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.